So how do we create a setback floor with ArkDesign.AI? So working with the schematic section, main panel, we can add floors, erase floors, add other type of floors. We can also add cellar. And if we would like to have, for example, the 8th floor, the 8th story, or 8 to 10, 8, 9, 10, to be a setback floor, a different floor than the typical floor, which is to the 7th floor. So we can add 8, 9, 10 floors. Double click on the top floor. And with control, select the floors we would like to be the new type of floor. The double arrow, if we click it, we can insert the name of the new floor. So let's say 8th to 10th floor, right? And then create, and now you see it has different colors. So we have a new type of floor, which is 8th to 10th floor. And by clicking on that floor type, the new floor type, and the pen tool, we can actually edit it. So the idea here is that the units will be stuck. If they're affected by the setback, then you need to redesign the area that is affected, but the rest of the floor plate will be stuck. And you can edit whatever you guys would like to edit. So you step on a unit, not on the apartment, not on the rooming area, but the unit itself. And with control, you can actually select all the units that you want to be affected, and you can either merge it into a huge unit, which is it's not logical to do it here, or erase those units. And now we can do the setback. So we can either do a full setback, and play with it. So for example, 10 feet. And or for example, now if we want to double click, creating different walls, undo that, or double click on the wall itself and then splitting it, and we can create a setback only on a certain area of the floor. We can do whatever we want. We can really design the building that we want to design. We can double click again and create, setback, second setback, wherever we want. So it's really up to us, 10 feet setback, and keep some areas as a dormer to protrude. So now we can step on that area, the new area that is empty. It always has to be on the units area use here. And plan it. Let's plan this area. And we have to insert the unit mix for that area only. So we have 26 dwelling units that were not affected by the setback, and they're staying and they're going to be stacked, same as the lower floors. And the area that we are replanning is the setback area that is affected by the setback. Now we have 21 rooms here along the window walls. And for example, we want the larger units because it's, for example, higher floors. So let's create three bedrooms and 3 2-bedrooms. And then let's generate the plans only for that area. And of course, you guys could have also set up the settings. So you can give different price per square foot at these floors. You can just edit the price per square foot. You can, make those units larger. So it's your decision. Now we'll apply it, and you can see the new apartments on the setback floors. And once we're going to the section and the 3D, then you can see the areas on the 3D. So you're seeing the setback areas and the areas that are still on the street wall. So you can see everything in 3D. And then the building information will have 8th to 10th floor, different unit mix. We have 4 less 1 bedrooms in each floor because we have 10 one bedrooms, and instead of 14, we have more 2 bedrooms. We like larger units. We have 5 3 bedrooms, and that's our unit mix and the unit distribution, all updated by our setback floors or top floors. Here too, you can see the numbers. And we can keep designing more and more floors like we did.